Hi guys, we're out at Chipping Sodbury in the Waitrose car park, and I want to give this a run because the tarmac here looks reasonably smooth. There's a bit of a slope up that way, but I think I might just give it a quick try. I'll make sure there's no traffic about, and then we'll pump it up and let it go. We're just up into the green on the gauge. So we'll give it a go. Well, that worked. The only thing is I didn't bring anything to measure with, but I reckon it went the full length of that straight bit. So if I count the number of curbstones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I reckon it went 24 and a bit. I'll give it another go. Still got a fair bit of pressure in there according to that. Alright, check we've got a clear run. I'll move it over here a bit further. Okay. Give it a little push to start it. Stop it there. Well, I think the point is it can go, well, I was going to say miles, obviously not miles, but it did that distance easily. We'll have to put some steering on it or something, aren't we? Like Tom Stanton did with his radio controlled one. Because that was up a slight slope and it had no problem at all. I had to stop it because it was just about to run into that guy's car who was just driving off. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. Clearly it could do with steering. Tom Stanton uses a 3D printer to print up what he wants. I don't have one of them. Might have to do a bodge. Bit of hot glue and an old radio controlled car part at the front. Just have to see. I've forgotten how many I counted just now. Oh, is that going to be a metre, each one of those? No idea. I might have a measuring stick somewhere. I think I escaped just in time. Car park attendant came over. Still, we know it works. By complete coincidence, one of the charity shops here that I've just been in, at Chipping Sodbury, has got one in the children's section. Didn't open the box. It's priced at £3. So I could have two if I really wanted, but I'll stick with the one I've got.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.